Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to recover your online banking account of Bank of the West in an easy way. So I'll guide you step by step on how to recover your account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. Firstly, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, right on top there's a search box, so then type in the link, that is www.bankofthewest.com, and you can find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link on the other page, you will be directed into the official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, tap on sign in. Out here, this kind of interface might appear on your computer screen. So you can see that without accessing your following information, you'll not be able to log in into your account. In case if it happened that you forgot your login information or you're confused regarding your login information, so out here you can see in the right hand side corner you have the following option in order to recover your account. So you'll have to select it according to your need. So for example, if you have forgotten your username, so then tap on forgot your username, and if you have forgotten your password, then tap on forgot your password. So then the procedure to recover your account on both of these following options is similar, only there are a few differences. So in my case, I'm not able to log in because of my incorrect password. So then first of all, I'll enter my username as I know my username. Now in case if you don't know your username, just simply leave it blank. So once you do that, tap on forgot your password in the right hand side corner. As I've already mentioned before that the procedure is similar on both of the following option. Next page, once again you will land inside Help Center. So out here you can see they've asked me for my username. In case if you know your username, so then type in and then tap on continue. And in case if you don't know your username, simply tap on forgot your username. So once again on the other page you will land inside Support Center. So out here you'll have to provide your information. And don't forget to select your account type, which is very important. In case if your account type is incorrect, you'll not be able to recover your account. As you're done selecting your account type, scroll down. Next, you'll have to enter your information in order to recover your account. So first of all, you'll have to enter your account or debit card number. So then make sure to enter the correct debit card or an account number. And once you're done, next tap on Social Security number. And once again, make sure to enter the correct Social Security number. After you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on continue on the other page, you get to reset your password or your user ID. And once you're done recreating your login information, that includes your user ID or your password, and then go back to your login page and make sure to enter the newly created login information and then tap on login. As soon as you tap on login on the other page, you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Citibank. And in case if you don't know how to log in into your online banking account of Citibank, what you can do is you can simply check out my login video. I will leave the link on my description box below. And that is how you can recover your online banking account of Citibank. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.